The OAR program's Operation Awareness and Response. That is Norfolk Southern's commitment to safety on the railroad. We do public outreach for first responders, firefighters, EMS, police, sheriff's departments, and we try to give them the best education that we can.
Fire departments do a lot of structure fires, they do a lot of EMS, they don't do a lot of hazmat, and even less hazmat on rail because it just doesn't happen that often. But we want them to be prepared when it does, and there is no better tool than this safety train right here to do that.
Start right here, walk up, and y'all can go through the cab.
The education that we're able to give, it could mean the difference in well-organized response or absolute chaos.
I know as a former first responder, specifically with a hazmat team, you can have all the tools in the world. If you're never given an opportunity to train with them, they're of no use to you. And that's what's great about the safety train out here, because I assure you, when this train comes around, that'll be the only time to train on equipment like that. Kind of have to work on the buddy system.
You know, a hands-on experience, it definitely adds another layer of confidence. You're not going into something completely blind.
You know when you drive up that you've got the knowledge to shut that engine down, to eliminate that car leak.
The more you know as a firefighter, especially as a battalion chief, is a big plus, because the better trained I am at this, the better that I can do, is the safer I'll keep my guys.
When we have a mishap or a derailment, it takes a lot of commitment from all aspects of emergency response community.
We rely on the first responder. More times than not, it's that first responder who's those first eyes and ears on the scene. And we want to forge that relationship because we want to be a good citizen, a good guardian of our community. And we feel we do that with this OAR safety training.
In our group, we're all former first responders, so we know the lingo. And by building these relationships, when we do have an incident at 2 a.m., we've already built that level of trust up as a partner where we can mitigate that emergency.
The volunteer force is large in our area, and they don't mind getting up in the middle of the night and responding to a house fire or a car accident, because generally it's someone they know. And this training, knowing that you have people that will be immediately responding to these areas to assist the local crews, it's a wonderful thing.
Pick one side, pin the middle hole.
There you go.
We are a brotherhood and we are a family, and that goes for the railroad employees as well. We have each other's backs.
Safety is a way of life, and it's especially a way of life with Norfolk Southern. And we need to be our brother's keeper. So everybody that comes in contact with Norfolk Southern, we expect them to go home to their families in the same condition they arrived in. That's good stewardship in our mind.